Hello students, welcome back to English classes. And as we know, we were doing our second poem, that was an elementary school classroom in a slum, where we already went through the background of the poem and the biography of the poet Stephen Spender. And we have also done first stanza, which just describes the miserable condition of the children in slum. They are malnourished, sick and hungry, and even they are unwanted in the society. And if we go through in second stanza, as we have already done with it, here poet just want to display the decoratives of the classroom, which is donated items by the rich people. And they have donated these things, but these are meaningless to these children because they doesn't know the meaning of these all items. And in third stanza, if as if we are done with it, here he have just described about the maps on their walls, and it is just an item which shows them actually how the world look likes. But in reality, they are very much far away from this velvety world. So now we are moving to our final stanza, that is last stanza of the poem. Page number 93. Unless governor, inspector, visitor, this map becomes their window, and these windows that shut upon like lives in like catacombs. So finally, in this last stanza, the poet reveals the appalling truth that there can be no change in their lives. And this change, until unless uh, like a governor, inspector, or an educationist, or a visitor who comes to school and visits them and just see their condition, the life which they are going through. And if we say like their life is just shut upon these catacombs. Catacombs means that slum, or we can say like that crammed hole where they are living in. So this is like their condition only could be changed if these all people they'll come and see the harsh reality, the condition of these children, those who are living here and studying in this slum school, means no good quality education they are getting, and even no basic amenities is just being provided to them. So they should come and visit them. Break, oh break, open till they break the town. Here, poet wishes that they should break their all the barriers and they should come out of their slum and should visit this beautiful world and show the children to green fields and make their world. And now they should come out. They should come out of their slum and they should visit this beautiful world, the greenery of this beautiful world, and may admire and may understand what actual beauty is, because it is just not limited in their that slum. Run azure on gold sands and let their tongues run naked into books. And they should come out, they should come out and they should admire those gold sands near the beaches. They should come and see how beautiful the world is. Just each and every places like wherever we visit. So they should also run freely on those gold sands and let their tongues run naked into books, and they should also receive good education. They should also have a quality education system so that they may also move forward in their life, means which is just going to help them out through any like problems or issues which they are going to face in their life, because without education we don't have anything in this beautiful world. We don't have any kind of opportunities. So they should also get this better education system. The white and the green leaves open, and even each and every corner should be open for them, and they should enjoy each and every moment of their life. History theirs whose language is the sun, and history is only created by the people, those who are ignited by the spirit of knowledge and learning. Means we should always, that is our moral liability of everyone, to break barriers between the haves and the have nots. This is only our moral duty. We should understand the true meaning of education, and we should make them also understand, as if we know very well history is only remembering the people, those who are educated and have enlightened themselves for a better world. So this is the whole like kind of his own feelings Stephen Spender is just trying to highlight in this particular poem, as if we went through, and he gave a very good description like of a slum and an elementary school which has been set up in that slum. So like this is, as if said by him, we all should take care of it, and it is the responsibility of each and every human being in the with who is living in this society. So we should understand even their basic needs, and should help them out. So hope you understood the poem. All the best. Thank you.